Furness General Catering Department in Barrow-in-Furness. This morning I'll be making a lentil soup dish and a tuna and mushroom baked dish. The ingredients for the lentil dish is 2 ounces of dried lentils, some large tin tomatoes, water and seasoning. And for the tuna and mushroom bake, a small tin of tuna, dried soup mix mushroom, a small tin of sweet corn, instant mashed potato and an ounce of grated cheese. So I'm going to demonstrate making the following. First of all, I'll put the dried lentils in a pan of water with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I chose a little bit of vegetable stock, just a pinch. And then I'll just cover the lentils in the pan about maybe a pint. You can always top up after. And some chopped tin tomatoes. And then that'll be on to simmer for around 20 minutes. I'm just going to make a tuna and mushroom bake. Right, in a small oven-proof dish I've put a small can of tuna. This is going to be mixed with a dried soup mix or the condensed soup mix, which I'm going to make now. So I've got the condensed soup. I'll just make a bit in the pan. It'll thicken to like a sauce. So when that starts to do that, that means it's ready. And then I will add this to the tuna to make a sauce. The soup was ready, so I've just added it to the tuna to make a bit of a sauce. And I've pre-cooked some sweet corn. You can always buy tin sweet corn and drain it and add it to it. Then I'm going to add the cheese to the potato to give a little bit of extra flavour. Because mashed potato on its own can be a bit bland. And that's our mashed potato. It's got a little bit of cheese in. And then I'm just going to top the tuna bake with the mash. This will go in the oven, about gas mark 5, for about 15 to 20 minutes to crisp the top up and cook the tuna a little bit. So I'll do that now. You could always finish these and decorate them with a few fresh herbs, which would probably be nice on the top of both.